morning friends, welcome back to Fionis India Home Workout Series. Today we have a workout 4 rounds for time. Before that, let me explain you the warm-up. So we have 2 rounds of warm-up to be performed. First one is the front kick, do it for 45 seconds. Then we have toe touch sweeps, we have sumo squat and dead bug swipe. So these are the 4 warm-up to be done for 45 seconds and repeat this twice. The workout is 4 rounds for time. We have 4 exercises. First one is the marching bridge. Again, it is going to challenge your glutes. Second one will be the plank and hip touch, which will challenge your core. Again, we have 2 more workouts. Next one is the bird dog stretch, like a Superman stretch. And the last one is the adductors, which will challenge your inner thighs. So these workouts to be done for 4 rounds. Once you're done, marching bridge, plank and hip touch, bird dog stretch and adductors, repeat it for 4 rounds. So let us go get into the workout. We have Anu with us to do the demonstration. So let us start with the warm up. We have front kick, straight. Bring both your arms, try to touch. Yes. So raise your arms perpendicular parallel to the ground and lift your legs. So you will be stretching your glutes, hams. Raise it up as high as possible. Also you will be crunching your core, so keep it tight. We'll go to the next warm up, which is toe touch swipe. So swipe it all the way down. As you come to the other side, raise your hip high. So for the entire warm up, keep your core tight. Keep your belly button inside. Do it for 45 seconds. Next one is sumo squat, split wide. Keep your torso straight. Go down as low as possible and come up. Down, come up. As you are coming up, use your hips. Extend your hips. Yes. So that is sumo squat for 45 seconds. Last one is the dead bug swipe. Lie down on the floor. Fold both your legs. Fold it, fold it, fold it like a tabletop. Legs alone, fold it. Lie down, fold it. Lift your legs. Yes. So now only the one leg. Yes. Out and bring it up. The other leg, move it down and bring it up. So this is again for activating your core. It will be useful in the core exercise what we are doing now. Okay, 45 seconds and then we go to the workout. So we have 4 rounds for time. The first one is the marching bridge. So make a bridge, ensure that the glute is tight. Hold your hip high and now lift one leg up, right leg up, up, like a march. Yes. Throughout the march, keep your hip high. Keep your hip high. So we do 15 on the right and 15 on the left. Go to the next workout, which is plank and hip touch. Be on the plank position. Shoulders should be above your elbows. Rotate your hip and try to touch the ground and come up. Take it slowly. 15 numbers on the right, 15 numbers on the left. That makes 30 counts. Yes. So next we will do the bird dog stretch. Stretch one of your arms and legs straight and go back. Hold it for 5 counts and then switch. Switch alternatively. If the right leg is stretched, the left arm has to be stretched. And repeat this. Again, 15 numbers on the right, 15 numbers on the left. Ensure that the back is straight. Give a nice stretch. Hold the stretch for 5 seconds and switch over. The last one is adductors. So lie on the floor. On your side. You can relax. If you want, you can relax here. So the leg which is down has to be lifted up throughout the exercise. The other leg has to be folded closer to your thighs. Yes. Now you have to slowly raise your other leg up as high as possible. Come down and repeat this for 30 numbers. 1, 2, 3. Do it as slow as possible. As slow as possible for 30 numbers. 30 counts. Feel the stretch along your inner thighs. Inner thighs will be burning. If you do very slowly, you will get the most benefit. And switch over and do for the other thighs as well. Hold your leg, bring it closer to the thighs. During the exercise, don't touch the ground. The other feet should always be in the air. Raise it up as high as possible and bring it down slowly, very slowly. Should be like each rep should be a count of 10, going up 5 and coming down 5. The longer the better. Beginners can take it easy. So that completes our 4 workouts which needs to be done for 4 rounds. Tell us your time. Now we'll get into the cool down. The long sitting. And both your arms touch your feet. Hold it. Next we will do the butterfly stretch. With both your elbows, try to push it down, keep your torso straight. Hold it for 15 counts. Hold it. Next stretch. Stretch your legs wide, come down. Hold the heel and look straight, look up. You're going to stretch your adductors, the exercise for which we did today. Last one is Cobra and Child Pose. Raise it as high as possible, look up. Ensure that the hip is stuck to the ground. Hold it for 15 counts. You can repeat this 2 to 3 rounds. Now go back to the child pose. Forehead on the ground, stretch your arms as wide as possible, as far as possible away from you. Cobra and child pose can be repeated in cycles, at least 3 cycles. And that will complete the cool down for the day. Have a great workout. Bye.